Hello everyone. Last OSIM lecture we have completed first chapters Principle of Management. In today's video we have going to start a new chapters that is Functions of Management.
Management's primary function is to get people to work together for the achievement of organizational goals and objectives. Organizations can be viewed as system, and to run the organization effectively and efficiently we need to follow functions of management. According to L.A. Allen, management is what manager does. It means in business, a manager has to perform various functions so that organizational aims can be achieved. To achieve the objective or target of the organization, manager not only to follow principles of management but also perform various functions of management. According to Henry Fayol, functions of management can be defined as to manage is to forecast and to plan, to organize, to command and to control. It means manager has to perform various functions to manage the business such as planning, organizing, directing, staffing, coordinating, reporting and budgeting. Reporting and budgeting together called as controlling. Luther Gulick has given keywords OSTCOP for functions of management. In short, functions of management can be explained as follows. Planning. It means deciding in advance the activities and the actions of business. Organizing. It means combination of workforce, physical, financial and informational resources together. Means right thing at right place. Staffing. It means selecting right person for the right job at the right time. Directing. It means not only instructing employees what they have to do but also how organization wants them to do it to achieve the organizational goals. Coordinating. It means interlinking of business activity, connecting all the departments to work together towards one goal. Controlling. It means bringing actual result closer to desired result.
First function of management is planning. We have already discussed about the planning. So we will learn about planning. Let's now see the definition of planning according to Kuntz and O'Donnell. Planning is deciding in advance what to do, how to do it, when to do it, and who is to do it. Planning bridges the gap from where we are and where we want to go. It makes possible things to occur which would not otherwise occur. It means planning involves selecting mission and objectives and the actions to achieve them. It requires decision making, that is choosing from available alternative future course of action. Planning is basic function and also starting point of management process. Planning is necessary for optimum utilization of resources. Planning identifies the problems and help management to find the alternative course of action. Planning is the key of success. It is rightly said, well planned is half done. Now, let's learn about the importance of planning. First point, helps to set clear objectives. Planning is concerned with setting objectives, targets, and formulating plans to achieve them. It helps manager to analyze the present condition of the organization and on that basis of identify the ways of attaining the desired position in futures. Next point, provides path of action. Planning ensures that the goals or objectives are clearly stated. They act as a guide and they provide direction for doing the right things at the right time with rightly way. It helps employees to know what organization has to do and what they must do for achieving the goals. Next point, planning improves performance. It helps manager to improve future performance of employees by establishing objectives and selecting a course of action. It is beneficial for the organization. Planning leads to efficient working of the employees due to proper planning. The employees can work according to timely guidelines. This improvement in performance result into highly profitability of the organization. Next point, minimize the risk. Planning is based on forecasting techniques. It is the process of looking into the futures and anticipating the future changes. By deciding in advance the tasks to be performed, planning shows the way to deal with change and uncertain events. Changes or risk cannot be eliminated totally, but they can be anticipated and can be locked with preventive measures. It minimizes the risks of future or uncertainties of futures. Next, planning leads to optimum utilization of resources. Organizational plans are prepared by taking into consideration of availability of sources and proper allocation of resources for various activities. It also facilitates optimum utilization of resources which brings higher efficiency and better results. One can avoid wastage of resources by proper planning. Next, helps in decision making. There are various alternatives in front of the management. For achieving goals, planning helps the management to select the best alternative by considering all positive and negative outcomes of all the alternative. Decisions are taken after selecting alternative course of action to achieve the predefined goal. It helps the manager to take rational decisions. Next, useful in setting the standard of controlling. Planning set out standard for controlling so the actual performance can be compared with the standards and manager can find out the deviation. If any between the actual and the standard performs, such deviation can be bridged by taking controlling steps. Therefore, planning provides basic for control. It is also important for maintaining discipline at working place of organization. Next, facilitates coordination of all activities. Planning facilitates the coordination of activities. It results overlapping among activities. All activities of business organization are closely linked with each other, which is considered in the process of planning. Sound planning interrelated all the activities and sources of an organization. Thus, various departments work as per the overall plan and coordination is achieved. Next, facilitate other management function. Every organization functions towards achieving goal and goal is set at the planning stage. Unless the plan is ready, other management functions such as organizing, staffing, etc. cannot be undertaken. Thus, planning facilitates all other functions of management. Next, promotes innovative ideas. Planning is the basic function of management. It's a process of decision making which involves promotion of innovative ideas after critical thinking. Ultimately, these innovative plans result into attainment of the goals of the organization. It is the most challenging activity for the management as it guides all future actions leading to growth and prosperity of the organization. In short, planning plays vital role in every walk of the life of organization as well as an individual. Future is highly uncertain and the business environment is changing. With the help of proper planning, the risks and uncertainties can be minimized definitely. Hence, planning is the basic requirement of any organization for the survival, growth, and success. Thank you.